Every room you enter, you change. Not just by moving a chair, but by leaving behind a spectral cloud of yourself. We shed around 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every hour, each carrying our unique DNA blueprint which settles on every surface. The very air you exhale leaves a residue. Volatile organic compounds from your last meal or your personal metabolism cling to the paint and plaster. Forensic scientists can use this to place someone at a scene long after they've left. But it goes deeper. The unique microbiome of bacteria you carry, your personal microbial aura, colonizes the new space, creating a living, invisible record of your presence written on the walls themselves. Why does a room with high ceilings feel different from a cramped basement? Your brain is constantly interpreting spatial cues, a survival instinct that links physical spaces to emotions. A phenomenon known as embodied cognition suggests our thoughts are shaped by our physical environment. The feeling of a place isn't just in your head, it's a physical response. The hippocampus, your brain's memory center, works with the amygdala, the emotion processor, to create powerful place memories. This is why walking into your childhood bedroom can trigger a flood of feelings. The walls don't have emotions, but they are a permanent trigger for the ones stored deep inside you. Architects use this, manipulating light, scale, and material to intentionally evoke feelings of awe in a cathedral or anxiety in a labyrinthian hallway. The ancient Romans believed in genius loci, a protective spirit that resided in a place, giving it a distinct character. This idea persists today when we say a place has good vibes or feels heavy. Is this just our psychology, or are we sensing something else? Consider historical sites like battlefields or prisons. The sheer weight of human experience concentrated there seems to leave a palpable residue that visitors report feeling. This taps into the controversial idea of psychometry, the belief that objects can absorb and retain the emotional energy of events. While scientifically unproven, the concept points to a universal human intuition that powerful moments might just stain a location in a way we can't yet measure. Could matter itself be a recording medium? This is the core of the stone tape theory, a speculative idea that intense emotional events can be imprinted onto mineral-based materials like rock or brick. The theory suggests that these materials, under the right conditions, can act like a magnetic tape, recording sensory informations, sights, sounds, strong emotions. Later, a sensitive person might play back this recording, experiencing it as a ghostly apparition or a phantom sound. While it sounds like fiction, physics tells us information can't be destroyed. Every event leaves a trace, however minute. Perhaps the universe is the ultimate hard drive, and walls are just a single, unreadable file. Today, the most detailed memories aren't left on plaster, but on servers. Our digital walls, social media profiles, search histories, and cloud storage are perfect verbatim recorders of our lives. Every click, every search, every like is an entry in a vast, distributed diary that remembers everything forever. Unlike a chemical trace that fades, this data is duplicated, backed up, and analyzed on a massive scale. These digital ghosts are not faint echoes, they are high-fidelity copies of our thoughts and actions. Future archaeologists won't need to dust for our fingerprints. They'll simply run a query on the ruins of our databases, reconstructing our lives from the data we left behind.